This presentation of yours, how much time do you have? It sounds so simple, but I am baffled by the fact that common sense doesn't seem so common. Once you've answered the first 3 questions, and before you can even think about the content you want to include or say, understand a limitation that you have. Time. Do you have 45 minutes? Do you have 20 minutes? Or do you have 2 minutes to make your point? I am surprised that many professionals are oblivious to time, especially when taking up other people's time. And that's the worst time to be oblivious. Don't make this mistake, or else it will cost you dearly. I see this all the time. Professionals standing up to speak, the audience clap at the end. They're not clapping because the speaker was great. They are clapping and they're saying, "Thank God it's over." They want the professional off the stage. And that, my friend, isn't the type of feeling you want associated with you. Your audience won't appreciate being told that a sales presentation is 30 minutes for it to end up being 90 minutes. Or that your public address will only be 8 minutes, but then it ends up going on for like 27 minutes. Stick to time. In fact, finish before time. No one complains when you deliver a great message and are under time. Whether you're doing a 3-minute business pitch on TV, heading a board meeting, or speaking up on stage, stick to your time. And when you have the clarity of why you're speaking, when you know the one message you wish to deliver, when you know who your audience is, you will be able to do so with greater ease than most. Your audience, whoever they may be, will appreciate you finishing on or before time. This is a non-negotiable criteria for your overall image and ultimate results. This is something you can control and a point you can win. So, how much time do you have? Because that's what you should be sticking to. Finish on or before time.